Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way how to align your rear cover gasket in your LS engine if you're replacing the seal. However, I highly recommend, if you have to do this, is just get a complete unit, all new cover plate, new gasket, new seal install on one. But in case you don't want to go that route and you got to spend money by the special tool, first thing you gotta do is knock out the old seal. As you can see, that fits in there perfectly. So we're gonna put this on a couple blocks of wood, tap it with a punch, and knock that old seal out. There we go. Seal is out. Now, of course, if you're gonna go through the whole motions, you want to silicone these corners really good. I highly recommend putting silicone down on the bottom and also siliconing here on the bottom in there. But anyways, what you want to do then is put your cover in, right? And then once your cover's in place, you got your lineup tool here, and your lineup tool will sit down. I can tell you right now that I am sitting a little on the high side. There I go, I'm in now. So there, my tool is in. So then from this point here, I'd put your bottom bolts in. They'll suck it down to get to depth. And then start tightening all these ones down. And then tighten them down to the proper torque. It's 18 foot-pounds. And I can't remember how many inch-pounds it is for these two small ones at the back. But that's how you would put that in. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.